Hello everyone, today I am going to replace DANAA35 LSD differential clutch plates into new ones. Actually, it took me 2 days, cause I have started quite late and ended up stuck installing spider gears. The limited slip differential is installed from Jeep XJ rear axle to Ford Explorer's front differential, just to help get more traction. While I've installed it, haven't changed the clutches. It was about 2 years ago, but now had to remove differential from the TTB cause universal joints broke down in both axle shafts. So I thought why not to use this opportunity to renew differential clutches. Removing differential housing from the TTB is one hell of a job, but from this point it's quite easy. We have to unbolt bearing caps and then differential is easily pulled out. It's better to put bearing caps and washers back to the housing just to be sure not to mix their place. Next in line is pinion shaft that is holding pinion gears. We need to hammer roll pin out and shaft can be easily pushed out with fingers, at least on this differential. Twisting side gears, we can push pinion gears out of their location to outside and remove them with washers. Now differential side gears with clutches can be easily pulled out. As you can see, clutches are worn out, not completely, but lost its grooves. Limited slip differential isn't best choice for off-roading with 33-inch tires. It definitely won't last as long as it is engineered, but it's way cheaper when buying differential with locker. New clutches looks way better. Assembling differential is harder than you might think, cause new clutches are much thicker and spider gears wouldn't want to fit back into their place. Pinion gears has to be installed into differential one against the other, cause otherwise pinion shaft won't slide into its position. As hard as I've tried to push pinion gears back into their place, I couldn't. Even tried to add axles, but it only made worse. Managed to install them with hammer, gently hitting pinion gears until they reached its place. Sadly, didn't film this process. Just to be safe, decided to change both seals on the differential housing. Installing them, you need patience and flat metal pieces. Hammered both of them until they reached its place. After cleaning old seal from differential housing, it was time to install differential back to its place. Last part is to install C-clip to right axle. It slides in easily back to its place, although this differential is from GPXJ installed into Ford Explorer. Thank you for watching. If you have stayed for this long, please don't forget to subscribe and push like button. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment, but remember, I have no idea what I